So today I'm going to be talking about the high quality connections, HQC, and my scenario is, of course, working with my boss. So the planning, the outcome I am trying to achieve is working well and being engaged while I'm at work, and I currently work with a dog groomer, and we do work well together, but I know that I could do better at my part by being quicker, working harder, and doing better. And the actions that I do want to take to make sure that these things are happening are making sure I'm paying attention, if she is asking me something, making sure I'm answering it right away, not ignoring her, things like that. And helping with the things before they're even asked of me, and getting things done and at a quicker speed than normal. The execution part of it, I approached the scenario by taking care of things needed before she had asked me to do them, like putting simple things too, like putting towels up, sweeping the floor. I don't even know, just the little things that she would need help with. And working at a faster pace is also an approach I took. I mainly do bathing for her, so making sure that I'm bathing and drying these dogs at a faster pace, so then the day moves faster for me, and then I can get the dogs to her quicker, and she can get them done quicker and on time. So one specific behavior that I had noticed from me and my boss was ambition. We both work very hard to make sure what we're doing is done in a correct and timely manner, making sure that we're not putting half of the effort into it. So making sure it's done and correct in whatever it is that we're doing. She's grooming, I'm bathing, I'm cleaning, just making sure it's done and that it looks nice and it is the end product that we want. And some of these surprises or insights that I saw would be, we would accomplish something, or when I would accomplish something that she had not asked me to done, or that I got up right away and did it when she did ask me and not just wait around to do it. It speeds up the work day, because those things are done. Like, for example, one of the things we work Tuesday through Saturday. Well, Saturdays are our big cleanup days where we make sure everything's clean and ready for the next week. And in the air conditioning, I take out the filters and clean them. And she typically asks me to do that, but what I notice is when I'm done with dogs and I know I need to start cleaning, if I just do the filters, clean whatever needs to be cleaned that I typically clean, and not go sit inside and just wait around for her to tell me to do it, I'll be done quicker, because obviously that stuff is done, and by the time she's done with the dog and it's the end of the day and I'm ready to leave, that's it, we're done, it's done. I can just hang out until she tells me I'm good to go. Just things like that, it just sped up the work day. My reflection, I felt really good about it during the interaction, because I felt very productive during the day, and I felt that I got a lot done, and I did a good job at it. And insight I learned about the HQC and that I was actually interested in was in the article. It said, or the book, whatever it came out of, was high quality connections do not require personal knowledge or extensive interaction. And I like this because and I was interested because if you realize it, even if the interaction you have with someone is just 2 seconds, that could be one of the very good interactions you've had that day. It could make your day, it could make your day better. You don't know, just that little thing could help. And I can apply it to the receiving end by being open-minded and appreciating those interactions that I have, and understanding that could be an important interaction to me during that day. Thank you.